Today's classes, we are going to discuss some of the revisions with the help of some of the questions that we had already studied. The first question is of MCQ type. The question is from the chapter known as Chemical Reactions and Equation. The question is, the chemical formula of lead sulfate is A. Pb2SO4, B. PbSO4 whole 2, C. PbSO4 and D. Pb2SO4 whole 3. Now, to answer this, we need to take the valence state of individual elements and the radicals. Now, lead can be found in +2 oxidation state, and sulfate ion is SO4 2-. By simply interchanging their numerical values of charges, we can find Pb whole 2, SO4 whole 2, or in a simple term, PbSO4 is our answer. Now, in the MCQ, the number C is given PbSO4. So, the answer is C. The next question is of the same chapter. This is not a MCQ question, this is a +2 marks question, minimum. You can find this question in NCERT also. The question is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before it is burnt? In air. The question is saying, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before it is burned in air? The answer for this one is, magnesium is magnesium is an very reactive metal. When stored, it reacts with oxygen to form a layer of magnesium oxide on its surface. This layer of magnesium this layer of magnesium oxide is quite stable and prevents further reaction of magnesium with oxygen. Magnesium ribbon is cleaned sandpaper for removing sorry, this layer so the reaction can happen. The next question is from the same chapter. This one can comprise from +1 to +2 marks. The question is, give the electron dot structure of CO2. Electron dot structure is nothing but the Lewis structure. Now carbon is the central atom. It comprises 4 electrons. oxygen, there are 2 oxygen atoms, each comprising 6 electrons. Out of those 6 electrons, out of that 6 electron, 2 electron oxygen, each oxygen shared with 2 electron from carbon in this manner. Thus form this Lewis dot structure, in which there are 4 bonds in the central atom carbon, on the central atom carbon, comprising 2 electron each, in total 8 electron for the carbon, and oxygen comprising 2 lone pair each and 2 bond pair each, comprising 8 electron for each oxygen atom, and thus fulfilling the octet. So this is the Lewis dot structure for carbon dioxide.